top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, somebody tell the chef hurry.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Woo! Happy New Year! Everything going good so far. Sorry we haven't been vlogging that much. Oh my god! I don't know where now. I can't remember past the intro. So I haven't been vlogging all that much because there's not much to be done. Today is a special day. Today is cross country and I am walking, not running, for my house. Yes, I will be doing that this year, and yeah, this is my fit. That is my fit for the day. That is my outfit, real athletic and thing. Yeah. So my house is right here. See all of them there. Yeah. Yes. Alright guys, so yeah, as we go on, you'll see us on the road and things. So stay tuned.
I would have run out
Hello, sir.
I have one already for 2013-14. Let's still have video?
Oh. We're just preparing. Come now, dear. Oh god, the cap here. It looks so big. Don't forget you from. Come here, left. Me carry something here. Come there and the crowd all left for me. I left you. Come on. Yeah, we're walking now. It's my first cross country. I don't know. Come there. Come here. Shots in the back. No, sir, that one I do. That one I participated in. I don't know. You have a lot of responsibility to take care of. Oh, Jesus, what kind of pitch this? Yes. Sorry. They always a pitch. No, sir. Hello, sir. Yes, man. What you mean? Ready like a... You see, I'm a sir. Alright, see everybody excited about vlog. So we're all in the parking lot. And... it's silly. Alright, so start at Lido Beery. Beer team. Lord. What? serious. No, dear.
What's Canadian?
You know me snap now. Alright. You see, though, that's why I'm not like people like Unino.
Come and make him take a picture so I call him. I call him.
Alright.
Who would not take it without you? Come on, next one. Come, take me alone, take me alone.
Okay, that's how well with this.
Take me alone too.
Not today. My girl. Line up, ready to go. Alright, police escort and BRT. Yes. No, dear. No, money.
Hey, we're listening, everybody. Hey, Blue House, listen up. Listen to the mood, everybody. The fingers are going out first.
I'm so nervous. I'm never going to do this. I like to share with my
The fingers are going out first. Listen to them.
Disqualified.
On your mark.
Honest to God, me feel like me a spin already. Look here. This one that.
Foolishness, come on, stop the foolishness, come on. Right time, they reach up there for them.
Oh God. I will follow the dust. I'm sorry. I will follow the dust. Oh God, this is so hard. Honestly, me feel like me bus already. And we just run off like. Oh.
If I never met Miss Win-Win, not so when I want this.
I feel tired. This is not easy. This is so hard. I am exhausted. The medical team is behind us. The medical team passed already. Oh God, we're at the back literally. With that back race. Oh God, and I can't move a muscle more. Me exhausted. So I go first. Can run go right here. Oh my God! This sun actually hot, like a hot. Come Natasha, eh? Use this on video. Come. Use this now? Sideway.
I do so. And myself for sure. It's off. No. I can't get on the camera first. Here. Turn it on.
Thank you. Oh, so we are somewhat on the final leg. Huh? Oh, we're somewhat on. You really still wet me up there, Ann? If you she has the natural fit, you know, everything right in proportions. Watch out, watch out. Hello, there is something blocking my view here, and I need. Alright guys, so we finally finished the race. I came second out of the three of us.
I came first.
I came third. Oh god, I'm tired. Feel roasted, like you also feel crusty, like sun beat me up real bad. There I miss say you get beat up real bad. You say, God, you see it? You see your skin?
You ready?
Your brown so dark.
I had fun on the ground.
She got sunburn.
We share with. Miss. You make kids this way again.
So can you imagine me never ask you so that mental about this one?
Alright guys, so this is the first vlog on the channel since the year started. I hope that you guys really appreciate it. The next vlog you will see will be Kamandai. Don't worry, we have them coming, so we'll see you guys next time. Next sports day. Everything.
We got the next. Bye.
Say bye. Bye, Darren.